this class again. We have another question from WAEC past question, and these are some questions from the objectives section. Let's solve this one. We have this, remember it's indices and standard form, so we have to express this one in standard form. The question is that evaluate this, leaving your answer in standard form without using calculator or mathematical table. So here, let's solve this one without using calculator. This will be equal to, this is 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. When you express this one in standard form, this is already a whole number, so we'll express it, multiply by 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. We have expressed this in standard form. All over 12 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1, and this one will be times 8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3, and finally we'll have this to be 16 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So this will be equivalent to, we can rearrange this one so that those powers can be separately. So this is 6 times 32 times 4 all over 12 times 8 times 16, and then times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 all over 10 raised to the power of minus 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So we have this, we can express this one in this form. You can solve it in different ways. So having gotten this, we can do some cancellation here. You see, 6 into 12 is 2, and 6 into 6 is 1. Then 4 into 8 is 2. 4 into 4 is 1. Then we have 16 cancel 16 is 1. 16 into 32 is 2. So this one will cancel one of these. We are left with 1 in the whole of this, all over 2. Then multiply by this will also cancel this one. This also will go with this one. You are left with 1 all over 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So we can express this one and have it as 1 all over 2 times, here, based on reciprocal law in indices. This is when you have 1 all over x is the same thing as x raised to the power of minus 1. That is reciprocal thing. So if we are bringing this one minus here, it will be 10 raised to the power of minus 2. And minus 2 will give us plus. So definitely this one is 10 raised to the power of 2. So finally we have this as 1 all over 2 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Since we are leaving this in standard form, then this will give us 2 divided 1. This 1 over 2 is 0.5. Then times 10 raised to the power of 2. When you round this one here to the standard form, to give us 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 times 10 raised to the power of 2. And then we will have this to be 5 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, which will finally give us 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1. Times 10 raised to the power of 1. Since the question gave us instruction to leave it in standard form, we leave it like this. But ordinarily, we multiply 10 times 5, which will give us 50. Thank you very much, because I believe with this, you understand as you follow me. Please see you in the next question, since we are solving series of past questions in WAEC.